Okay students, welcome to new session. In the last video we have discussed about carbon and their compounds. In this session I am going to discuss about silicon and its compounds. Compounds of silicon. In our syllabus they gave only two compounds. One is silica, SiO2. Another one is silicates. Silicates means next component is silicates or silicones. Silicones and silicates. These are the components. We start with the first one, silica. Silica. SiO2. Nothing but sand. 95% of earth crust is silica, made up of silica. So it is available in different forms: sand, quartz, cristobalite, tridymite. Different forms are there. Based on the structure, in crystalline form one name is there, amorphous form another name, pure form another name, and powder form another name, after heating another name, and conversion, after conversion different names are there. I will write all these crystalline forms of silica one by one because all are theoretical points only. Okay students, now the first component of silicon is silica, nothing but sand. Formula is SiO2. Yes, it is SiO2. So 95% of earth crust is made up of SiO2. SiO2 occurs in different crystalline forms. So different forms are there based on their structure. So one is quartz, cristobalite, tridymite. These are all allotropic forms of which one? Silica, SiO2. Quartz is called rock crystal. Pure form of SiO2 it is. The pure form of silica is quartz, named as rock crystal. The pure quartz is colorless and transparent because of its structure, and in the impure form the quartz is colored. Amorphous form of silica examples are, these are all crystalline forms, these are all amorphous forms: agate, jasper, onyx. These are all different forms of silica in powder state, nothing but amorphous state. Sandstone is a few abbreviations are there, those are very important. Sand particles plus iron oxide named as sandstone. Amorphous silica plus quartz called flint. Siliceous rock plus sea organisms called kieselguhr. Crystalline form of SiO2 are convertible. It means one form to another form possible to convert by changing the temperature. So alpha quartz converted into beta quartz by 570 degrees Celsius. Beta quartz converted into tridymite by 875 degrees Celsius. Tridymite converted into cristobalite by 1470 degrees Celsius. Cristobalite converted into liquid silica by 1712 degrees Celsius. And the only one preparation is silicon plus oxygen combined together then forms silicon dioxide at high temperature. Now our first topic is SiO2 and its structure I am going to discuss. SiO2, in SiO2, silicon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Each silicon is surrounded by other 4 oxygen atoms tetrahedrally. Actually 8-membered ring is there. Silicon, 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 silicon. Between each and every silicon there is oxygen. Silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon. 8-membered ring. It means 4 oxygens and 4 silicons. Each silicon surrounded by 4 other oxygen atoms in tetrahedral manner. Each oxygen atom surrounded by 2 silicon atoms in a linear manner. ring structure, tetrahedral structure, three-dimensional structure. And silicon dioxide is very less reactive, but at high temperature it can react with the NaOH and hydrofluoric acid, then gives a salicylic acid. So then this is treated with metal oxides like sodium oxide or zinc oxide, then gives sodium silicate or zinc silicate or uptime. So few reactions also we'll discuss one by one. All are theoretical. I'll write one by one now. Okay students, structure of SiO2 silica will observe now. This is the structure. Each silicon undergoes sp3 hybridization. 3s2 3p2 is the configuration. One electron jump from 3s to 3p, then 3s1 3p3 you will get. All four involved in hybridization, 1s and 3p, totally 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed, then forms 4 sigma bonds by a silicon. Each silicon surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms, then forms a tetrahedral structure. So here each silicon is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms in a tetrahedral structure. Each oxygen atom surrounded by 2 silicons. Each oxygen atom surrounded by 2 silicons. Everywhere oxygen surrounded by 2 silicons. It contains 8 member rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alternatively, silicon and oxygen will be arranged. That's why it is 8 member ring, alternate silicon and oxygen atoms. Next, chemical properties of silicon dioxide. SiO2 is less reactive because the SiO bond is stronger. To break this, more energy is required. It is unaffected by halogens, hydrogens, acids, bases because it is less reactive because of high bond energy. So it is dissolved in hydrofluoric acid and NaOH only, exceptionally these two only, but not with the other acids and bases. NaOH and SiO2 then gives rise to sodium silicate. It is called water glass. Water gas is CO plus H. Water glass is Na2SiO2. With HF then gives rise to SiF4. With SiF4 and water then gives ortho-salicylic acid it is. And Na2O3 sodium silicate. With CaO calcium silicate. With the Na2CO3 sodium silicate will be formed. Actually, what is the use of which one? Silica. You know already, the cement industry, building means construction field especially, that's okay. But a mixture of hydrofluoric acid and silicon dioxide used to etching glass. Etching means ETCHING. It is not ITCHING. It is ETCHAH. Designs or art or letters to write on a particular glass material. The mixture used is SiO2 and HF. So this is for etching purpose. Writing which one? Letters, art, designs on glass. The phenomenon is called etching. The process of writing art, design, letters on glass is called etching. That is by SiO2 and HF. These are the units. Now the second component is silicones. What are they? Silicones. We'll write point by point now. Silicones. Okay. We'll discuss silicones. These are organosilicon polymers. Actually, polymer means a big game molecule. So one unit will be repeated continuously n times. The repeating unit is R2SiO, where R equal to alkyl group or aryl group, methyl ethyl propyl. Alkyl group or aryl means nothing but a phenyl group, nothing but a benzene group. So the initial material to prepare these silicones is alkyl or aryl substituted silicon chloride. So I am preparing now, these are 2 moles of methyl chloride CH3Cl treated with 1 silicon, then give rest. There is a chance to form. So observe carefully. Si, CH3, CH3, Cl, Cl. Otherwise, Si, CH3, 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 Cl. Otherwise, Si, CH3, Cl, Cl, Cl. Otherwise, Si, CH3, CH3, CH3. So these are named as silanes. What are they called? Silanes. So this is the possibility for us. So the last one is very trace. It is very trace quantity. It means very small possibility to substitute all the chlorines by methyl groups. Now, so whenever we treat this, then obviously I am taking silane. Si, CH3, CH3, Cl, Cl. Treated with 2 moles of H2O. It contains 2 H plus and 2 OH minus ions. 2 OH minus ions replaces the 2 Cl minus ions. Then give us Si, CH3, OH, OH, OH and 2 HCl. This is removed. So this is formed here. Then this is again treated with, I am writing here only, 2 HCl will be gone. Again I am taking 1 more mole of this OH, Si, CH3, CH3 and OH. I am taking second. Same. Then OH and H is eliminated. And H eliminated. Here also OH eliminated. Then forms the compound as Si, CH3, CH3, O it is. Next O left, Si, OH eliminated as H2O, CH3 and here it is OH, otherwise something gone. This is the unit Si R2O, repeating unit it is. R2 alkyl methyl group SiO will be repeated number of times. So it will be continuously going on. I have taken 2 molecules. You can take 3 molecules, lengthening 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. There is a link formation SiO link formation. Obviously length will be increased. Chain length is controlled by addition of Si, CH3, 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 OH. Only one OH is there. In that case, you can control the chain length. Then what will be happen is, yes, I am taking now. So the equation will be final equation. N moles of Si, CH3, OH, CH3, next it is OH. N moles and this is treated with OH, Si, CH3, CH3, CH3. There is no OH here. In place of OH, I kept a CH3. Then the eliminated compound is H2. Then give us OH, Si, CH3, CH3. The left is oxygen, silicon, CH3, CH3, and this is also CH3. There is no oxygen or OH. If OH is there, length will be continuously increased. But here CH3 is there, length stopped. This side also I can keep CH3, length will be stopped by addition of this compound. Okay. Generally, this is called silicone. What is it called? OH. It is also removed. This is the repeating unit. This is called silicon. Yes, R2SiO, how many times it is? N times. Silicons are surrounded by non-polar alkyls. Silicons are surrounded by non-polar alkyl groups. Non-polar alkyl groups. Non-polar means CH3 is not a polar one. Non-polar alkyl groups. Generally, because of more bonds, the bond strength is very high. These are resistant to many chemicals due to bond strength. So these are resistant means not affected by any chemicals. Any chemicals. Stable at very high temperature also because of high bond energy. Right? This is about silicons, organosilicon polymers. R2SiO is the repeating unit. R2SiO will be repeated continuously. Preparation and one or two properties. Next topic is silicates. Let's discuss. Okay, silicates. There are large number of silicates we can observe in our nature. In that examples are feldspar KAlSi3O8, zeolite Na2Al2Si2O8XH2. Zeolite we have studied in hydrogen and its compounds. Permuted process. So that is permuted formula is Na2Al2Si2O8XH2O. Now the repeating or the basic structural unit in silicates is SiO4 minus 2. Means tetraoxysilicon minus 2. It is the basic structural. So in that each silicon is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. So one is minus 1, another one also minus 1. Right? So this is the structure minus 2 minus 2. So you can write it as SiO. Yes, it is minus. Right? Now, SiO4 minus 2 units join to each other, then forms chain structure, sheet structure, 3D structure, ring structure or ring structure. It means while joining the SiO4 units, then forms different structures: chain, sheet, ring, 3-dimensional network structure. These are gained molecules. These are gained molecules. Because polymers, no, that's why gained molecules. Next, silicon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Silicon configuration 2s2 2p2. S contains 2 electrons, P contains 2 electrons. One more jump to this one, then give rise to like this 1, 2, 3. Then all undergoes sp3 hybridization. 4 sigma bonds are possible around this silicon. So this shape is tetrahedral, right? Gained molecule sp3 hybridization. All the units are joined together by silicon. SiO4 units are joined, then forms a chain, sheet, or different structures. So now, important man-made silicates are cement and glass. Very important study pattern, right? So you can show the structure like this. So it is silicon in the beginning. These rounds are oxygens. Three-dimensional, no, actually. Back side, otherwise the front side one oxygen is there. We cannot show that oxygen clear, right? Tetrahedral manner of silicons. Next, preparation of silicates. How to prepare silicates from oxides and carbonates? Preparation of silicates. Silicates are prepared from Na2CO3 already written plus SiO2. Na2SiO3 plus CO2. Sodium silicate. Sodium silicate. Right. CaSO3 plus SiO2 gives us CaSiO3 plus CO2. Calcium silicate will be formed here. Now, Na2O plus SiO2. Na2SiO2. You just observe the basic structural unit is SiO4 minus 2. But I am writing only SiO3, SiO3, SiO3. Where is the fourth oxygen and negative charge? Right. In Na2SiO3, two sodium atoms are replaced by one oxygen atom. Then forms two sodiums gone SiO4 minus. SiO3 converted into by taking oxygen SiO4 minus. In CaSiO3, one calcium atom replaced by one oxygen atom then forms SiO3 converted into SiO4 minus 2. Calcium is removed out. So this is the preparation of silicates. Types of silicates. Types of silicates. Types of silicates. There are many types of silicates for us. Yes, first one is orthosilicate. Orthosilicate. Yes. So the examples of orthosilicates are, it contains only one SiO4 unit. It contains only one SiO4 minus 2 units. Examples are very important. Take down examples. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First example, zircon, Zr SiO4. Zircon, Zr SiO4. Second one is forstiterite. Forstiterite. So Mg2SiO4, magnesium mineral it is. Next one is phenicite. Phenicite. That is equal. The formula for phenicite is Be2SiO4. Be2SiO4. Next is willemite. Willemite. Zn2SiO4. It means zinc mineral is Zn2SiO4. Zn2SiO4. In all this, only one SiO4 unit is available in a tetrahedral manner. sp2 hybridization, gain the molecule. Next one is second type of silicate is right. Pyrosilicates. First type of silicate is. Second type is pyrosilicate. Yes. Take it. It contains 2 units of SiO4. It contains 2 units of SiO4 minus 2 joined by a Carnot containing 1 oxygen, joined by 1 oxygen atom. Yes, the structure will be oxygen it is. Yes, it is also oxygen, central atom. It is also oxygen. Just observe one tetrahedral unit, silicon. Inside or front side 1 oxygen atom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, front side 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, front side 1, 4. Silicon. So these all units are joined by which one? A tetrahedral. Right? Now, examples are tertivityl. Examples are tertivityl. So the formula for this Sc2Si2O7. Sc2Si2O7. Scandium mineral is hemimorphite. Hemimorphite. The formula for hemimorphite is Zn3Si2O7. Zn3Si2O7. It is the formula for this. Right? Next one is cyclic or ring silicates. Next, third one is cyclic or ring silicates. Cyclic or ring silicates. Okay, the third one is cyclic or ring silicates. Formula will be SiO3n minus 2, otherwise SiO3n minus 2n. Examples are beryl, benitoite, wolstonite and kettleite. So these are the formulas for these examples. And here SiO1, 2, 3, front side 1, 4, 1 unit. So these all oxygens are joined by other SiO4 units. This is the structure. The dot represents silicon, front side 1 more oxygen and 1, 2, 3 on the plane. Okay. Next, chain silicate. Chain will be formed. Each and every tetrahedron contains 4 oxygens. Among them, 2 oxygens of each tetrahedron is shared with other 2 tetrahedrons. Yes, it is one tetrahedron. 2 oxygens are joined to each other by other tetrahedral units. 2 oxygens are joined to each other by other tetrahedral units. 2 oxygens are joined to each other by other tetrahedral units. Formula given SiO3n minus 2, otherwise Si4O11 6n minus. Examples are synthetic silicates, so Zedge and Trimolite. These are the examples for which one? Chain silicates. Now they can expect a question from 2-dimensional silicate example as well as a 3-dimensional silicate example. It is difficult to draw on the board. You just take down 2D silicate examples, formulas, 3D silicate examples and formulas. Okay students, 2-dimensional silicates and 3-dimensional silicates. 2-dimensional silicates means in the tetrahedral units Si, O, three oxygens, 1, 2, 3, can share with other SiO4 units. This will not in sharing, 1, 2, 3 will be bonding with the other units. So that is called two-dimensional. Formula will be Si2O5 n times minus 2n charge. Example, talc Mg Si2O5 twice MgOH twice is the formula. Kaolin Al2OH 4 times Si2O5. And 3D silicates, all the four SiOs, all the four oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygens in the tetrahedral structure of SiO4 minus 2 will be shared with the other SiO4 minus 2 units. So that is called 3D structure, difficult to graph. Examples are quartz, tridymite, and cristobalite, feldspar, zeolite. These are all examples. So in permutate, zeolite means aluminum atom replaced by silicon atom in three-dimensional network structure of SiO2, then gives aluminosilicates, that is called zeolite. That's okay, no problem. So with this 14th group elements synopsis completed. You do one thing for groups. You have to follow your textbook perfectly, that's good enough for any competitive examination. And study your textbook once, twice, each and every word perfectly, then that's good enough to write any competitive examination for inorganic chemistry like groups, hydrogens, compounds, etc. Okay, with this synopsis completed. So in our next video we'll start bits.